Hello there, my name is Valerie White-Williams and I am a vocal coach turned YouTube coach. So this channel is actually my third channel. My primary channel is Vocal Splendor Studios and I currently have over 18 million views and I have now 79,000 subscribers. And that channel has brought me more than $60,000 worth of clients coming to me. And if I didn't have this channel when the shutdown happened, I don't know what I would have done because I kept getting clients. And so I decided to be a YouTube coach so I could help other people get the results I have. Now, the thing about YouTube is it's not really intuitive. And a lot of people think YouTube is all about just making videos and uploading them. If that was the case, everybody would have big channels. But the point is that so many people have been uploading videos for a long time, but they're not doing all of the things that gets them discovered. And I think they're a little confused about thinking that YouTube is like social media, and it's not like social media. Social media has constant feed going on. And so the feed is always running, right? And for YouTube, it's all about the search. And with the search, we have the benefit of creating evergreen content. So I was just coaching one of my clients on my YouTube business, and I was going into my old videos that are so old and showing her how to make thumbnails and how to title videos. And we were going through my old videos. And you know what? They're still getting views. Still, 10 years. Because I started my channel 10 years ago and we're still getting views. It's still getting ad revenue. And I don't think there's anything of any of these other media platforms that can do that. But you have to know what you need to do besides just make videos. And so that's why I have a course. Now, I think what happens with a lot of people is they want to do it themselves. They want to do it themselves or they don't want to pay. Now, I'm a vocal coach and I have people that pay for lessons monthly lessons. And I've had some people that have been taking lessons from me for years. I have one client that's been with me for 10 years. And people are paying me because that's something they really want. They want to build their singing voice. They want to have a voice that they can take out as a maybe a professional or semi-pro so they can get into that other market. But some people just want to sing because it makes them feel good. It's therapy, it's self-expression, and they're willing to pay to get some help. That's what coaching is to be coached. So I have a course which is now wrapped up in a membership, and it's called YouTube Success Academy. And I have my online course, which is YouTube client generation, and I'm focusing it more on businesses and coaches and teachers, but really that course will help you grow your channel because I'm nerdy and I'm fussy and I want to make sure everybody can get it. So now I've taken that course and I put it into my membership because my course is great, but I've learned from coaching people on YouTube that they need a little more support. It does remind me of voice because people will take a tidbit of a vocal coach talking, but they won't apply it correctly. Which in singing, it's usually the muscle memory. They're trying to get the muscles and they go back to their own patterns. It's the body. But I've noticed by working with clients on YouTube, it's kind of similar. Of course, it's not about the body, but they go back to these old ways of thinking about making content, like social media and all these things, because YouTube is not social media, just saying. It's Google. And so the way you get discovered on Google is by SEO and making great thumbnails and going into the channel so you can get some more of the code. And when you do these things, you will get your channel to grow. And I have a secondary channel, and it's called Cosmic Splendor. And I started that channel when I was starting to do YouTube coaching, because I thought, okay, I've been on YouTube for 10 years. And so maybe I just got lucky. Maybe I've just kept going, and that's why I'm so successful. So I thought, okay, I'm going to do something brand new, and it's called Cosmic Splendor, and that's my spirituality and astrology channel. And I started that in January of 2020 because I wanted to make sure that what I teach people works. I wasn't just going to pretend like, oh yeah, I have a small channel of 500 people and I'm going to be a YouTube coach. Yeah, because this is my baby channel. In fact, here's the deal. I created this channel only to show people how to create a channel for my course. And I didn't really want to do it. So that's my third channel. But my second channel, Cosmic Splendor, is now over 1,000 subscribers. I think it just hit 1,140. And I have also 50,000 views there. And I also have clients asking me to help them and give them readings and consultations even there, because I'm doing all the things that I coach my students, my clients. Because I want to be honest and show them what I do. And if I can do it and I can train you to do it, you can grow your channel too. But I can only do so much on my channel, and I also have a private YouTube group. So if you really want to master YouTube, I have a course, and I have a membership course, and it's called YouTube Success Academy. And in that academy course is all the training. And I'm offering coaching calls twice a month. And I think I'm the only YouTube person that does that. So you can ask me questions and I can help you. And I can go into a screen share and show you exactly what to do. Because if you're not super techie, and I'm weird, I'm super techie. I taught myself HTML way 20 years ago because I was bored, okay? So that's just me. I can figure out technology, but I'm also a creative artist. I'm a singer, I'm a piano player, I love art. So I have that creative aspect, and so I help you and I can talk to you and break things down. Because when things are technical and if people are just going, whoa, 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 you don't understand it. But I work with creative people all the time. I'm a creative person. I'm just a nerdy, technical creative person. And so I can break it down so you can understand it. And with the coaching calls, you can talk to me and I'll help you. And it's on Zoom. And then we have a membership group and you can see all my trainings, and it's really affordable. So what I'm offering for all this stuff is it's $97 a month. That's huge. That's huge. That's less than people pay me for my voice coaching. It's a super great deal. Now the thing is that you can take all the coaching and all the training, you still have to do the work. And so that's the thing, is I want to create a system where you get coaching, you get training, you get me, and I can answer your questions. And I can watch over you, because that's what I do with my students in my voice and piano studio. I don't want to say I take care of them, but I'm there for them, and I'm there to help them grow their skills. And that's the same thing about YouTube. We need to grow skills, and sometimes the skill sets are more challenging than others, or they have to learn them because it's different from other ways that we use social media and writing and art. Because you kind of have to be a copywriter, you have to understand SEO, you have to understand how to create thumbnails. There's a lot to put into the puzzle. Because if you're only uploading videos and throwing them up there, you're probably not going to get a lot of traction, and you probably won't be growing. Because to grow your channel, you have to do all the things so it shows up on search, and then people will find you, and then they're going to grow. That's how it goes. So my channel on Cosmic Splendor has 50,000 views, and it is currently at, so I've met the monetization for the 1,000, and so it's about 2,700 watch hours, because to get monetized, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and those watch hours have to be in 12 consecutive months. So that's kind of takes a while to do that. So by my calculations, I will be at monetization this summer. Yeah, and that'll be my second monetized channel. And I can teach you guys that. I can. But you have to come to me. And I think this is a great deal, because I think I'm the only coach that is actually doing live calls. And again, I've been on YouTube for 10 years. Yeah, that long. More than 10 years. I started my channel in 2010. And I did not expect to be a YouTube person. I did not expect this at all. I only wanted to put videos on my website because I had just moved to Seattle. I've been teaching for years when I made that choice. And I thought, hey, I'll put videos on my website and then people can watch them and they can see me talking about singing, and then they'll schedule a lesson with me. That was my only point. I did not expect to be a YouTuber at all, but it happened. So here I am, and I can help you with your channel. And if you want my help, contact me, okay? And just because this is a baby channel, so this is my baby channel, and like I said, I didn't really want to create it because I'm like, I already have several channels. I also have a channel where I put my music on it, but I don't really care much about that. You can listen to my sing, whatever. But I didn't really want to have another channel because it's a lot of work doing multiple channels. But I thought the best way for me to teach people how to create a YouTube channel was to watch me create a YouTube channel. So that was why I created this channel. So from the ground up, you can watch me create this channel and do all the things. And when I talk about these things, every time, all my training, I do it with a screen share. So I'm not telling you what to do, you can watch me do it. You can watch me do it, and that's what's in my course. So, and then also, after I created the course, I didn't upload that much. I'm like, I don't know if I really want to do this. I don't want another channel, really, I don't. And so I didn't upload very much after I created my course and started selling it. And I think I missed months, and I just maybe one video a month or something. And then after a while I said, Valerie, get over yourself. I know, it's like another child. And then I started committing to doing a video a week. And unfortunately, that's all I can do right now because I have my Vocal Splendor channel, which is my money maker. That's where I am getting a lot of my leads and ad revenue. I have my Cosmic Splendor, and I'm working harder on that. I'm uploading twice a week on that channel because I'm really wanting to get that monetization up there, which is going to happen. And so I can only upload once a week on this channel. Now, once I get monetization on my Cosmic Splendor channel, I will probably up to 2 times a week because then I'm just trying to get to that monetization so I get ad revenue. And yeah, so YouTube has been a great thing for me, and I just want to help you guys that are struggling with channels that are not getting much traction, you're not getting clients from, because that's the point, is that, yeah, I can help you with that. I can help you with that. You just got to contact me. All right, so I have another group on Facebook called YouTube Success Strategies, just like this one. And then I have another private group for my YouTube Success Academy. And let me know. I'm confident 100% that if you're struggling making YouTube work for you, I can help you. All right. I will talk to you later and have a great day. Bye.